How to sign up Trust Wallet account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First, download the Trust Wallet app from Play Store or App Store if you haven't already. Then tap to launch Trust Wallet application on your device. Now tap Get Started button. Choose Create New Wallet. And you will need to set a passcode for your wallet. Enter it in the text boxes and confirm it. You remember your password is needed to unlock your wallet. So you need to tap on secret phrase and select create button and choose backup manually. Or you can even skip by tapping top right skip button. Now create a passcode and then confirm your biometrics. Now tap Start using Trust Wallet and tap Allow Trust Wallet to send you notifications. Tap Claim Points and here is your 100 points. And here we go. We have successfully been here on the home screen of Trust Wallet and your Trust Wallet account is ready. And that's it. You have successfully created your Trust Wallet account. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.